I do have the large size drawing board right here. We're going to be opening it up. We're going to take a look at it. But I bought this for my son, and he loves drawing, so this is going to be his #1 thing right here. You guys can see that it does have the stamps. It also has the pencil, and we do have different colors. And then you have the magnet slider right here, of course, to wipe everything out. We did go with the blue color, but they have the blue, they have purple, and they also have pink. Here's what the purple color and the pink color looks like right here. We're going to be opening this up, and we're going to be drawing. We're going to check it out, and then I'm going to give you guys my review. So here you guys have it, and it is pretty large size. He does have a small one. It's probably like 1/4 of this size right here. So it is pretty cool that we are able to get him a big one here. Okay, so we do have the pencil. The cool thing I like is it has a string on it so they cannot lose it. That's a big thing with kids. They like to lose it. And you guys, you can see how simple it is right here. And you see you have the colors. So the colors are randomly on the board here, so you don't get to pick your color, but it is cool that they do have different colors. I do want to point out that they do have the alphabet here, so that is pretty cool, just in case your kid wants to like copy one of the letters, or if he's learning the alphabet. And then of course we have the different sizes here. We have the different shapes here. We have the circle right here. Okay, you guys can see where it has different colors. We do have the triangle. Boom. Boom. Okay, we do have the square, and it's different colors. So we do have the yellow square. Kids love having the different colors. And then we have the flower right here, of course. Okay, you guys, so you guys can see this is a nice little drawing pad for kids. My son is gonna love this thing right here, and I definitely recommend it.